Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need Capcut. After this, open TikTok. Now click on search option and search Mike Wheeler snapping fingers. Now here you will find videos related to that. Now click on the video with the tag top liked. Now here you will find option of try this template. Click on that. Now click on use template in Capcut. Now click on use template and add your two photos. After adding your photos, click on preview. Now your video is ready. First check your video and then click on export. Now click on export without watermark. Now your video is ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.